Alright, just your classic old dagger. Nothing special about it. It's just a dagger. Because woo! That was loud. Because changing the stuff doesn't affect anything, I'm pretty sure. Just erase it. Screw it. I don't care. B. Jeez, thing. What does agility do? Increase movement speed. Decrease hits on anvil. Why would I care about the amount of hits on an anvil? But jeez, I keep pressing escape thinking that. It's P. Was that another crystal? It's yellow. Cool. I'm pretty sure this is like the... What the fuck was that? Okay. It scared me a little bit. You can pick up the rocks and stuff, I think. But they just like jump out of the way. Magically. Get out of my way. Let me jump over. Got all the crystals. I wonder if you can like force the crystals into like super badass daggers. Damn, that one like has a really big range. Unlike the other ones for their lighting source. There's anything, or maybe you have to make like a super epic great sword. That'd be pretty cool. In which case, that's understandable why there would only be 3. I moved these rocks earlier. What is that thing? Looks like a golem. Whoa. Get out of the way. What the hell? It is. Get out of the way, son. You're in my way. Get out the way. Thing is weird. Let's see if we can like get it closer. This is like flat out a golem. Guess he was guarding the yellow one. He wasn't doing a very good job at it, that's for sure. It looks like I'm not tired or anything. Feel the power of all 3 crystals. 3 chaos emeralds. Shit, I thought a green one just manifested right there. I was like, holy shit. Gotta listen to that sound. Sounds like radiation. What are they even supposed to do though? I don't get it. Oh shit, what was that sound? Shit started to get crazy there for a second. Yeah, I don't know what that did. Maybe like changed our appearance. Let's go look in the mirror. So maybe the mirror works now. Nope. We're still completely invisible. Maybe there's another one. That's like actually well hidden. That would kind of suck. An actually well hidden crystal. See how this turns out. Jesus. Even launched me out of the way. Alright, I think that's enough ingots for a little while. Just stockpile on ingots. I might as well just make a bunch of weapons. And then have them like on display so people can just come in and just grab it, you know? Alright, what happened to this? Okay, this one's ready, so okay, cool. We got a little dagger blade. Let's make it into a different dagger blade. That'd be a pretty cool polearm. Bam. It'd be a pretty epic polearm. You could like catch other polearms in it and stuff. Wait, what was that? That's where my hammerhead went. Found it. Yeah. Alright. Use that later, I guess. I'm gonna do absolutely something insane. There you go. So if somebody wants, the next person that wants a great sword, they're gonna get a tin great sword. Alrighty, tin large blade. Boom, the ultimate two-handed thing. Gonna put it right there. Boom. So I'll just put it on the front thing. Look at my prized possession. It's for sale, of course. Look at it. It's beautiful. Place like in the middle. There we go. Oh yeah, I can put some crystals around and make it look awesome. Where the hell did I put those crystals? Oh, they're out there. There's the golem dude. Damn it, let me over this stupid thing. I think the most befitting of crystals is the yellow one. I can just like send it on its way in there. Go. Oh shit. Go. 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 Damn it, just get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh yeah, this is a window, you can't. Even though there's no glass, it still can't go through it. Even this one, you can't go through it. But look at it, it's infused with it. Oh. I like for it to better be like that though. Damn it, just want to rearrange this thing so it looks cool. Okay, it's like that. Yes. Beautiful. I wish someone would just buy this thing. It'd be cool if I could like infuse this crystal into like the little guard there. That'd be pretty neat. Alright. Need a great sword. There you go. Well, this great sword not good enough for you? Is that it? Come on, it's super OP great sword. It's the best. Maybe it's because of this stupid crystal. Get out of here. Just take it. What the hell? Why not? It's super good. Look at that. It's got a fancy two-handed grip. It's got a two-handed guard, and it's a 10 large blade. It's tin, man. There, Jesus. How much should I get for that? $330. That was not worth it. So what's with this thing? Oh, day. It's the days. Jesus. This was not worth it. It was definitely not worth all that effort to make that stupid fucking greatsword. But I'm gonna make it again anyways, because I don't care. Can I make iron? No, I cannot. Jesus. Holy hell. How much is steel? Damn. What the fuck? Oh. I guess I get 10. Everyone wants a damn greatsword. You need a dagger, alright. I just think of something kind of funny. Hold on. Let me just get one of these. Order another polearm, I guess. I'm gonna grab a one-handed thingamajig. My last one. So I've been playing this game for a really long time. And I've accomplished barely anything. I guess I moved on to tin. But it's not like I can buy tin in like a great bulk or anything. Oh, I want to change that, yeah. Funny thing I was talking about was making a dagger with this little tiny thing. Oh yes, the perfect blade for a dagger. Go on. Yeah. There you go. The best dagger. The grip is like 3 times the size of the actual blade. Yes. Beautiful. How much money did you pay? $117. Yeah. It's profit. I think we're making like $9 profit every time we make a blade, and it takes a lot of time to make a blade. It takes like a minute and a half. So, 4 seconds left. Jesus. Finally we leveled up. Jeez. 5. It takes forever to level up. All right, there. Ooh. Alright, it's nighttime. What if I like? Okay, nothing happens. It's still red hot. Well, it's still like ready, and I can just like heat them up and then put them wherever I want. It's kind of funny. I can actually reach this through the wall. Wait, this window actually like works. Holy hell! It's an actual working window. Yeah. What the hell was that? Okay. Alrighty. That's 30 bars of copper. kind of exploded all over the place, but it's even in there. Jeez. It's everywhere. It's even in there. It's in the tree. Oh god. Alright, well, I'm just gonna close this shop and then I will be and cut it here. I was gonna be back once I've just made a bunch of great swords and various items. Alright, so we're back. Oh jeez, I made 5 great swords. I made, I think, another 5 short blades. I made 3 regular blades. I think that's all of it. Also, I sorted everything. Put my pole arms on the floor over there. I believe that's all the copper. Yeah, that's it. There was a bunch in here because I suck at throwing things through windows. So yeah, seeing as how it's night and there's no customers, also my shop is closed anyways, let's go sleep for the final day, day 7. Final day for this episode. Alright, there. So this day should be super easy and quick, considering we can literally make everything right away. Oh, I still have some copper up here. I didn't even notice it. Whatever. Coin chest, there's no coins or anything in there. Oh, what do you want? A great hammer, okay. So you just grab one of these off the top. I already screwed it up. Whatever, I guess. Let's go over here, grab a 2-handed grip. Oh yeah, you can only do it on the table, I forgot. There you go. Laura, the donator. I would have to donate like $50 to get a name. This should be pretty quick and easy. It's kind of weird, a pole arm. Oh shit, that's counted as a pole arm, like that great hammer or whatever. Great sword, alright. Great sword it is. Just grab one of these 200 guards, place it there. Grab his grip. Ooh, whoa. Okay, just flipped out and started doing windmills, but whatever. As long as we sold it, I guess, and it didn't disappear. Alright. Need a great sword. Fucking everybody needs a great sword. Yeah. It's kind of annoying that they only buy great swords. Sure, it makes me the most money, but I mean, damn, man. Damn thing got stuck. Oop, wrong button. Need to rotate it out of there. There. What the fuck? Okay. Created a copper polearm with the great sword thing. Jesus Christ, that's one deadly polearm. If you can swing that thing, then Jesus Christ. Alright. There. Oh shit. Okay, we only have one more left. Put it back on the shelf. Shh. Oh! Okay. Just come out of the floor. Thank you. Jesus. I was about to say like, oh shit, we lost it forever, but we're fine for now. Let's put these up here before we go deal with the customer. Boop. Alright, what do you want? One-handed sword. Can do. So you have so much one-handed guards and stuff that I haven't used yet. Alright, there we go. There you go. I don't know why it creates the, like the stuff, like twice. Like the one-handed sword creates it twice. The great sword creates it twice. I have my blueprints over here. I've already like know all the stuff, so I don't need to use it. This stuff is like pretty self-explanatory and easy. By the time you get to Mithril, I think you'd be like really tired of this game. Everything's so damn expensive. Even though I just spent $300 on ingots, we made quite a bit of money, but I mean, still. You know, work it took for like the small amount of profit we got. Like, say, like these little tiny profits here and there. Jesus. I think that's it. Yeah, it's night. Alright, well. We have no more customers and it's night. This is the end of day 7. So, I will see you guys in the next one.